Let's start our class. Be sure to talk to your healthcare provider about the pros and cons of using meditation if you have any of these conditions or other health problems. In some rare cases, meditation might worsen symptoms associated with certain mental health conditions. Meditation isn't a replacement for traditional medical treatment, but it may be a valuable addition to your other treatment. Let's start. Make yourself comfortable. Sit in an upright posture, or you can lie down. Allow your eyes to softly fall and begin by shifting your focus towards your breath. Let your attention be gentle on the breath so that you can feel the slightest movement of the breath as it travels through your nose and comes back out through the mouth. Inhale, gently and peacefully, allowing the breath to be inviting, soothing, relaxing, and exhale any tension, stress, or worry that no longer serves you. You are now calmer and at peace with yourself within your body, mind, and soul. When you are ready, shift your attention to your physical body, how your belly rises and falls on each in-breath and out-breath. Notice any sensations when you are breathing. Is your breathing heavy? Shallow? Deep? Is it tender? Light? Quiet or loud? Observe these sensations without any judgment. There is no need to change anything about the breath. Now, as you continue to breathe, and if you feel comfortable doing so, ask yourself what your intention was for taking some time to listen to this meditation. Perhaps for your health, to sustain your focus and attention, to abide as pure awareness, undistracted by the outside world, or simply because you wanted to try. Any intention is okay. Welcome and affirm your intention. Allow it to flow with the breath. Intentions are embodiments of your desires. They can turn our dreams into reality. It allows us to paint the picture we want to see on the blank canvas before we begin our day. And when intentions are compressed into words, they unfold magical power. So, as you take another compassionate and love-filled breath in, take a moment to think of an intention you would like to invite into your day. I encourage your intentions to be closely tied to your thoughts, values, and perspectives on your daily life. They can be clear and specific, or as simple as a word or phrase you want to align yourself with. Keep an open mind, and heart loves softness, grace, strength.